Hey, hello everyone and welcome in a new video. In this video I like to introduce you how to use Firebit and Logstash in a simple example. In previous video we use Firebit only with Elasticsearch and Logstash only with Elasticsearch, and now I want to introduce you how to use a classic way when Firebit send our logs, for example Nginx logs, into Logstash, and Logstash send logs into Elasticsearch. This is a very useful way because Firebit just send our logs, extract and collect logs on our target server, and send logs in Logstash. For example, if you want to process your logs to change the date format, for example, or to parse your logs, or to increase data in your logs, you can use Logstash, and then Logstash send these logs in Elasticsearch. So to do it, what we do, we just reuse what we have already done in video number 3 and number 4 for our configuration. We have two servers. On our left, our ELK server with Elasticsearch and Kibana and Logstash, and in the right terminal we have Elastic2, and this server is simply a target server with an Nginx and our Firebit like in the previous video. So what we do, first of all, we change the Logstash configuration to listen on a specific port where Firebit send our logs on this specific port. And we change our Firebit configuration to just send logs into Logstash, not in Elasticsearch like in video number 4. And after it, we just do a simple curl to send to create logs, and after it we just check in Kibana the new document about our logs. So let me start. First of all, we need to change the Logstash configuration. So to do it, I go into my ELK server, I do vim/etc logstash, and in Logstash we have in the video number 3 create a file named nginx.conf. So I just edit the input here, I remove all line, and I add some line input, like here with curly brackets, and we just specify our input type. This is bits type, and we want to listen on port 5044. So I save it. I just restart systemctl restart Logstash, like here. Okay, I just do tel/var log and logstash plain log. I check it here. I just want to show you tel-f. We just want to see this line. Our server, our Logstash server, listen on port 5044. It's okay, it's running. Now what we do, I just edit our 5-bit configuration on the target server. Here 5-bit.yml here, and I just comment the output, the Elasticsearch output, and I copy the ELK IP, and I go into the output type of Logstash here. I uncomment this line and I add the IP on the port 5044. So I do sudo systemctl restart 5-bit here. So I just open a browser here, and I search for port 5601 on this line. Yes, now we have our Kibana, and in our Kibana I go into stack management and index management. I remove all indices. Yes. Now, yes, we have no indices, and I just do a change. I go in our Logstash configuration, and here I just create a new index named with, for example, ELK from 5-bit. Oh no, from ELK. Okay. ELK, yes, ELK 5-bit, FB for 5-bit, and Logstash. Like here, I restart again. Yes. And now we can do a check, and to do it I just here do a simple curl here. Yes, I generate a new line in our access log, Nginx access log, and if I go into our browser and I check again, take a few seconds. Now we have our ELK FB Logstash, okay, with one document, okay, and I can create an index pattern, and I can yes, create a new index pattern for ELK FB. Yes. Next, add timestamp. I create, and now I can check into here into our discover in analytics blocks. I change our pattern in ELK underscore FB, and now we have one logs, one document. I can generate another document. I can refresh. Take few seconds. Yes, that can make sometimes, because we just generate a log in Elastic2. Our 5-bit in Elastic2 send our logs in Elastic1, in Logstash on Elastic1, and Logstash in Elastic1 send our log into Elasticsearch on Elastic1. Okay, and if we want, we can do a change. For example, maybe you not have a module to manage your log, because your logs are not logs from Nginx or Postgres, and you not have modules, and you can I can use 5-bit modules, disable Nginx. Okay, I disable the Nginx module. I can check in /etc 5-bit modules, and here if I check Nginx, it's okay, we have disabled the Nginx file. Now if I just want to send our Nginx logs without the specific module for Nginx, I can edit /etc 5-bit and 5-bit.yml, and if I go at the beginning of our file, we have 5-bit input type log, and I can do some change and enable logs here, okay, to true, and here I can add Nginx, and you can set some specific pattern, but in our case we have only access and error log, and we can just parse these files. So I save it. I can restart again 5-bit here, and I can do a curl on 127.0.0.1, and with Xavkey, for example, we have an error because we have 404 error, okay, and now we can check here our browser, and we have a new document here. If I click on it and I check the response code, we have the response code, sorry, yes, here and here. Here this is the entire message, and here this is only the path of our logstash, and the logstash split our line here, our message, and find the response code here. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I say goodbye and see you in the next video. Bye.